In this tutorial, we are going to show you 2 ways to access your daily exercises. Once you open Curovate, you will see your homepage like so. You will then see the current stage that you are on. The first way to access your daily exercise is by clicking the 3 dots right next to your current stage, and this is the recommended way. Once you click into the 3 dots, you will see your daily list of essential recovery exercises. This shows you a list of your morning, afternoon, and evening exercises. You should see a plus sign beside each exercise. Click on the plus sign, it should take you to the exercise tutorial. You may check out the exercises for previous or future stages. However, we do recommend you to stay on your current stage for optimal recovery. The second way to access your daily exercise is through the play button. The play button directly plays the upcoming exercise video instead of showing you the complete list. Once you have completed the exercise, it will show up on your tracker.